Dear Mr. Bogovic, dear members of SLS, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends. On behalf of the entire European People's Party, I am delighted to greet all participants at the celebration of the 25th anniversary of the Slovenian People's Party at Castle Reinburg. I would have loved to be with you today on this historic moment, but unfortunately it is not possible. But please allow me to express in the name of the European People's Party and myself our congratulations on the 25th anniversary of the Slovenian People's Party. I still remember very well, as also described in the history book of the EPP, that the Slovenian Peasant Union, whose name later changed to the Slovenian People's Party, was an important openly non-communist political organization in Slovenia, founded in 1988. In that sense, its foundation was not only crucial for your country, but also for the whole of our continent. It contributed to changing the picture of your country and of Europe. Your party first worked for the independence of Slovenia, and then for the integration of your country in the European Union. And it has proven successful in this regard. The Slovenian People's Party has its roots in Christian democracy, and in this sense, it also defends the political foundations of the EPP, a vision of society and humanity inspired by Christianity, by a federal Europe, and by the social market economy. Moreover, the EPP is a party of values, and that makes it different from the others. We believe in solidarity and responsibility, sustainability and fairness, and I am deeply convinced that in our policy initiatives we should be conscious of these values, and more precisely on the fundamental values our political family has always upheld. It is only if we act in accordance with these values that we will find a way out of the current European crisis. This is true for Slovenia as well as for the European Union as a whole. Dear friends, let me once again congratulate you and your anniversary. And I hope that you will have many successful years to come. As the EPP, we stand ready to support SLS as a part of our European political family. We wish you and your party all the best for a joyful celebration.